hi guys. Today
Hi.
me and my sister are gonna be playing YouTube Tycoon.
Yeah. And to hurry up, I'm so excited.
You're so excited. Join it now.
Do you change your account?
Yeah.
Do I ate as well?
Yeah.
Wait for me, ate.
Wait, hold on. Okay, hold on, video. I'm just gonna do something. Okay, so I'm gonna pick Lanky Box, guys.
I want to pick this.
Okay. This is my Tycoon. So we're gonna upgrade it.
This
So
is
don't make
mine.
fun.
Ate, where are you?
Here.
Yeah, you. I will find the long.
The one with Justin.
Just.
Yeah.
I can't find you though. There you go, I found you. Hi. Hi.
Hi. Oh my god.
Hi.
Hi. Can you get at the water? Can you get me water?
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh.
When you go mine again. Bye, sis. Bye, sis.
Bye.
I thought this is you. But it's not. This is their character.
Alright.
After that, if you leave that, what I pick it save.
You can testing it. Wala ka pang dropper eh. Wait, you can test it. Test it. No, I promise you, it will
Then what are we gonna do? Is this the game?
Huh?
Is this the game?
Yeah.
Why yours restarts?
Huh?
Why yours restarts?
No, it's because I'm on another account. I'm sorry for the shaky thingy, the shaky camera. It's because I have hiccups.
Hey!
That's alright.
He's trying to kill me.
That's okay. Just let him be. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna check out something.
Are you in the game? Are you and me? Hey! Later you will be out in this game. You're very bad. You have my money. Wait! Why they're still here?
Okay, you can leave it now. I promise it will save.
Okay.
Don't worry. Just pick the YouTuber that you pick.
Did you
See?
make it again?
No. See, it's saved.
Okay.
What YouTuber did you pick ba? The pink, diba?
Yeah, this one.
Then you click here. It will save. Ta-da!
I will get a lot of money.
Yeah.
Look how much my money. Sibi ba dati?
Yung athletic team sa akin, medyo low-key lang sila matagal. Ang mga basketball, volleyball, high school ka pala. Wala ko nung grade.
Get off my screen.
Look, Ate got this one.
Nice.
And the side.
Sa field po kasi, more on throws or jump.
This one get upstairs.
Yeah. I have the hammer now. You can get the hammer.
Where?
Go to mine, and then you can get the hammer.
USP po siya dati.
Yours?
Yeah. Oh, wait, I know this YouTuber.
Who?
This YouTuber.
Overall is
Oh, get off my screen.
hindi po, yung grade level.
I'm gonna look around first. Oh, garage.
Look, Ate got this. This one.
Nice.
I have.
Yeah, I also have.
That's cost many money.
Yeah.
Look, I
Bro!
dropped. Look, Ate, I dropped. And I'm going here. See? I'm going. Yes. Here we go.
Bro, I'm chasing somebody.
You better. Oh, chocolate sugar, go to your meal. Let's go to your meal.
Bruh.
You got higher money.
Yeah.
I got the 5.
Yeah, you got 5,000. You need to buy. You need to buy things so that you can upgrade. You need to buy windows like that, like mine.
But mine.
Okay, JB, ito po ng offer ko sa'yo. Gawin natin 20,000 pesos.
I got
You should
10,000.
You should explore yourself first. You should explore first so your money can go on a high upgrade. Jilly, come to my base. It's over there.
Can I go inside?
Yeah.
But somebody cannot.
Yeah.
Only me?
Yeah. Just wait for a minute first, okay? You're almost here now.
Mm-hmm.
Here you go.
Thanks.
I have the hammer now. You can explore mine. There, now nobody can come here. Oh. Did you try and go out?
I go out and then I want to spawn here kasi I'm tamading.
Ah, okay.
That's why.
Pitch pop. Alright guys, I'm family friendly. Don't
You can get the roof!
Yeah, I also have a roof.
How about lights?
Lights. No.
I have lights. And I got some window too.
You have
And
it
I got
upstairs?
No.
I have an upstairs.
You have a plant?
Yeah, I have a lot of plants. Oh, I'm so dumb.
Why?
Because I need
I don't have
5.
still the hammer.
It's okay. You'll get it. 500 for a dropper?
Really? I get the upstairs.
Nice. You got an upstairs?
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Look, I get the gold one.
Nice. I have the hammer.
What?
I'm going to your base.
Okay.
She likes pink, guys. Oh, Mr. Beast! Where's Tia Beast?
Mr. Beast,
Where's
Mr.
Tia?
Beast,
Where's Tia?
cheese.
Where's Tia Beastie?
Beast, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, cheese. That's me.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, don't smash me. No. No.
Sorry for the noise, guys.
What the hell?
Just run around. Jump out the window. Keep running, Jilly.
No.
Go into your base. Go into your base.
Everyone go to. What the hell? No.
I'll just reset.
Why? What are you gonna do?
Go to my base. Go to my base. Go to my base.
Okay.
Go to my base.
I'm almost there. I'm almost there. He's still following me.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Got hammer. Go, go, go. Wait. Go. Stay in there, huh?
Okay.
Don't go to there. Go in the room. Go in the room. Go in the room here. Hide in this corner. Right here. Here.
Okay. I will hide over here.
Okay. You can sit on the sofa if you want. Yo, you can get some of my stuff if you want.
Okay. I cannot.
You can? Oh, okay. I think you can't get other people's stuff because it's theirs. Maybe.
Showtime.
I'm gonna collect my money.
Can I go to mines now?
Okay. Reset it. Reset so he doesn't see you.
But ate, he will come because I don't have pae like yours, see?
Can I see a... you can already afford the elevator. Or you can buy a garage now. You buy upgrade this one. Oh, don't have enough money. Just gonna go and upgrade.
I got lights.
Nice. I just saw him get in.
Mine is done. See?
هتنامي بالميك اب مش قادره اشيله بس قادره تبوظي وشك وتدي المسام ويطلع لك حبوب. طب اعمل ايه؟ مثلا كارنيه بيشيل كل الميك اب بمسحه واحده وكمان خفيف على البشره الحساسه. ده في ثانيه. قولي تاني.
Ate, look, I get
مفيش
the
حاجه
roof
بتشيل زي
too.
مثلا.
Nice.
I get the kitchen. Is this gonna be supposed to be a house?
Yeah.
Ate, I get one more upstairs.
Nice.
You too?
No, I don't even have an elevator.
I need to take a money.
Sorry for the loud noises, guys.
That like that.
Yeah.
Ate, can we go to my room?
No, sorry.
I get the third floor.
On my computer account, I have like a fourth floor.
What?
On my computer account, I have like a fourth floor.
Ibuga. Oh my god. Ibuga. Apa sih? I got the third floor.
Nice.
Age does matter. Because that, the age is right.
After I got this.
Playtime entertainment. Born for happiness.
Remember when we got Timmy?
Yeah.
Nobody knows what I'm feeling inside. I like to secret, so why should I hide? But I love to make love to you, baby. Hey, hey, hey! So many ways wanna touch you tonight. I wanna be held up, but separate this time. I wanna make love to you, baby.
You can explore mines.
No, it's alright.
Only 2 of us in this game.
No, 3.
Timmy's is here?
No, not Timmy.
I think that is the bully.
Yeah, that is the bully.
Can I go to you?
Okay.
Fast.
Do you have a car?
No, not yet.
I have a car.
You can drive it.
Yeah.
You can go to mine. Park yours to mine. Enough money.
You do have enough money to buy a lot of cars.
Yay! I'm driving mine. No, the bully cannot punch me. Spin around. Spin around. Spin around. Spin around.
Oh my god.
Spin around.
Oh.
Nandyan po ba?
Chapter number 125. 10, 9. Ayun! Ito! Walang kamalay-malay.
Maybe na po kaya.
Baby, it's you. Paano ang pangalan ninyo?
I got now a lot of blocks.
I
I
got a
got
lot of
hammer
money.
na.
Si Raisa po, tsaka si Bimbi Lubi.
Hmm.
Wala po, maliit pa.
So I'll go update this.
Si Maybe.
Maybe, discarding yung mga kasama.
Ate, got this.
Nice.
Ayaw po kayo
Ate Mary, si Joy.
No, the bully cannot go to mine now, right?
But he can go through the upstairs. Because the upstairs is blank, right?
tingin ko itong Team Navy, pag ito, baka natin ba ito eh.
Oh. No, it's not.
Oh, 34.
And the other upstairs.
The other one.
Yeah.
49 years old.
Bakit po kayo? Dahil sa si Baby yan po.
Oh, hi. Miss Rami, pwesto na tayo po. Joey,
How about now?
Lindsay. He can still go. Because he loves to cheat. Ouch.
Sorry. Ate, this is unlocked.
Yeah.
I crashed.
I'm good at driving.
I'm good at parking. I think I'm not yet ready to drive.
My two sisters.
I have a cool car.
Ang banding nila today, kuya.
Why you got that?
Feeling ko nasa...
Oh, it's fast.
Fast.
Yeah.
Can I go in?
I don't know. I'm gonna just roam around it. Roam around.
You just test it.
No, I'll just go around and around.
Look at their park it. Nice. See?
Nice.
How about you didn't go to the street there here again?
Come on, Daddy-O.
You will always remember.
Yeah.
May I just spin around?
Come on down, sir. Join the fun.
Hello po, 139.
Kuya, ano ho
Me, I
pangalan
just
ninyo?
explore.
Dennis. From Calamba, Laguna.
Sabi niya.
Former PLP executive. Kayo po, ano po ang kanyang trabaho? Sa PNDT. Hello.
Sino to?
Sir, ito po, ganito, executive ng PNDT. Tumatay na ito.
Ba't ganyan kuya ilaw?
Alam mo, nakakabata talaga.
How about now?
Ingat kayo, baka ma-wrong number kayo.
Or bata pa yan po Ray. Nasa ano lang yan?
53. Okay. Sir Dennis, review please. 7. Sabi na nga ba yung mga
Wrong number.
wrong number? Welcome to the game, Sir Dennis. Dito po tayo sa number 3.
Welcome po akong test na tayo at kasama po natin sa walaan ng edad ang e-scooter. Para makatignan sa araw-araw na biyahe, switch to electric motorcycle, switch to e-scooter. Bossing Addison, work complete.
Okay, ang player na pinakamalapit ang hula sa edad na secret agents. Hindi over age of may chance mag-uwi ng premyo.
Where are you gonna go?
Naman ito. Kakanta ulit ng Dumber Girls at Dance Again!
That's yours na. Why that's yours na?
Because you need to explore to get it.
You don't want to go to your own one.
Sakto sa unang hula. Kaya
No, I just explore so I can get more money when I get home.
Simulan na natin ang laro. Good luck po, mga rubber cats. Ito na ang round 1.
kailangan na hula ng age at secret agent. Ito na siya. Dumber Girls. Wala namang mali sa puso mo. Aking kailangan ang
Ate, you can explore mine. Mine is big now. If the bully throws you in the hand, you go to mines, okay?
Okay.
Hello po, sir. Para po mga students. Bakit po ba sa... Ano nag-iat Miss Daya?
I'm very sorry for the quality.
57. Durado ka. 57. Parang
You got a lot of plants.
Melanie, how about you?
Yeah.
58.
Same.
Ay, sumapaw ng isang taon at napailing si Miss Jaya.
How about now, Ate, I got a window.
Ano pinagmatiyan mo, Miss Daya?
You will still go through the top because you don't have a roof.
Alright, 58 for Miss Melanie. Sir Dennis, kayo naman po.
No, he cannot see. It's still,
No, it's because he has an upgrade a lot of tower. His tower, he upgraded a
Sir
lot.
Dennis? Or pinakiramdaman mo lang?
He'll turn off all the lights.
Okay, final pakiramdam na ba yan,
Yes,
Sir
final
Dennis?
na.
Baka marong number ka na naman. 47 for Sir Dennis. Okay, nababulat din.
akala ko
Hey!
Go to mines! Go to mines!
No need, no need.
Sumaon si Jaya sa hula ni Rocky. 57.
Haha, he can't get me.
Napakapit siya sa akin nung mumula si
Go to mines, Ate! Go to mines!
No need. We'll just go to his.
Mr. Dennis,
And
parang
then
nangyayari lang sa 47.
see if he has a car. Pangit naman ang pag-park niya. Yung pangat ng
Go
unicorn mo,
to
pre.
mines.
No need. Bakla, alam mo ikaw. Bakla ka, alam mo. I'm just gonna go to my
I said go
sasakyan.
to mines.
No need na nga. I just gonna go to my car. Oh, tingnan mo. Ayaw mo masagasaan.
Galing, galing.
Park. Okay, whatever.
Hello, mga Maricas! Hello, 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 guys!
Ate, naayos ba park ko?
Kaya, ano siya
Ay!
Maayos ba park ko?
Yeah.
Isang seat lang.
Pero mag-iisip si Miss Diane nag-start daw po, ano ba, cancer ng mommy.
Can I visit?
Yeah.
Can I visit?
Ano yan, Miss Diane? Kaya pa po, Miss Diane.
Yung kaya pa ng ano, yung
I left my car there. And I died. Bro, hurry up.
So, lumaki po talaga kayo sa set, studio.
I just crashed.
Bro. Let's walk. I just crashed your lamp outside. Hey, you definitely nasa work naman ka. Diba?
Ano po?
No, that will take 3 hours.
Why you have 2 cars?
This is not mine. This is the bullies. Okay, I'll just rejoin.
No, you go to mines.
No, I'll just rejoin because the YouTuber parked because he parked his car
In yours.
Yeah.
Because he thought this is his.
No, he already knows his.
Let me just explore.
Elizabeth Tayo. Ni Jaya at Elizabeth.
Anak, may bisita. Punta ka na sa harap.
Bakit? Aray ko.
Wow.
I just crashed.
You just crashed?
Yeah.
Look next to your base.
No, just wait. I'm gone, dude. See?
Grabe naman po.
Ewan ko sa iyo. Isip ko. So, maalala mo ba? Nung nakakita nilagay ko sa lamesa, binibigyan ka ng pera. Eh, pag bibisita, chef ako. Kami nalagay niyo yung Mama Beth doon. Wala na. Inalagay ka sa mesa. Buti hindi ka nakain. Teka muna. Siya po, baka hindi po alam ang tatay niya po ay si Derek. Hindi po. Sino Derek yan?
Hindi yung si?
Wala kami Derek Ramsey. Iba yun! F-A-Y yung word yun. Sila F-A-Y. F-E-Y. F-E-Y. We Jamaica, bro. Yeah. Jamaican yung kanyang lolo tatay. Papa ni Mama.
I will check beside my house.
Yeah.
Whoa, you got 4?
Oh, he leave. He leave.
He lives?
Yeah.
Yay!
Kumanaw sa tamis daw niya sila, boss.
Ay, sarap.
Ang mama ko.
Did you forget the video? No.
You always say that.
Sari, sari.
Yan yung nakalagay sa yan si Ina. Ina ni Chaya.
Alright, so bye guys. This is gonna be the end of my video. So if you enjoyed this video, please can you subscribe? Thanks for watching. Bye.